this lesson, we are going to talk about verb. Verb in Nzema is Yɛkpɔkɛ. Yɛkpɔkɛ. Verb. In English, you will say a verb is an action or doing word. A verb is an action or a doing word. In Nzema, you say Yɛkpɔkɛ ali Yɛkpɔkɛ mo kile nyariala. Yɛkpɔkɛ mo kile nyariala. This one too can be used. Yɛkpɔkɛ ali Yɛkpɔkɛ mo tada nyari eli wo edendele nula. Yɛkpɔkɛ ali Yɛkpɔkɛ mo tada nyari eli wo edendele nula. So these two definitions can be used for verb in Nzema, that is Yɛkpɔkɛ. Ndon, or example, we have di, no, da, fo, sumu, tia, tende, ko, bela, and so on. We are going to use some of these words in sentences. Then we know how to use verbs in sentences. Sentence number 1 or word number 1, we have di. We use di. Putting di in a sentence, di means eat. Eat. So putting di in a sentence, we have di ariene. Di ariene. Eat the food. Di ariene. No. Drink. No. No nzulene. No nzulene. Drink the water. No nzulene. We have bela eke. Bela eke. As you can see my hand, bela eke. It means come here. Come here. Bela eke. We have ko. Ko in English is go. Putting it in a sentence, we have ko nehane. Ko nehane. Go there. Go there. Yes. Next one, we have tende. 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 Talk. Tende. In sentence or putting this in a sentence, we have tende kili erane. Tende kili erane. Talk to your child. Talk to your child. Tende kili erane. Next one, we have eleba. Eleba. Coming. Coming. I know you've used come, but this is continuous. Coming. Ama eleba eke. Ama eleba eke. Ama is coming here. Ama is coming here. That is ama eleba eke. So these are some few words or verbs in Nzema. That's what you call Yɛkpɔkɛ, and putting them in sentences as well. In our subsequent lessons, you will learn about nouns, pronouns, adjectives, etc. etc. Thank you for watching.